Hey, so you got to do a wiki for your class. Well, this is how you start. Go to crispellmediacenter.org. On the left-hand side, click Book, Blog, and Wiki. Go to Wiki Blog. You need to make sure you're on the right page for your assignment. For this particular one, we're going to go to Should the U.S. Leave Afghanistan Now? Click on it on the left-hand side. Here's your assignment. You can't do any of your assignment until you join the wiki, and you're going to need to be approved by Ms. Metz or your teacher. Up on the right-hand side, you're going to be using a lot of this to navigate on the wiki. The first link you're going to go to is the Join link. Just back to the other page for the information you're going to need to include. You're going to use your first name, your last initial, and the period you have social studies. Mine would be Lisa M4. That's my username. My password is the 6-digit date of birth that you use to log on to the computers here at school. It's the same thing, so it's not hard to forget. Be very careful when you put it into the wiki. You want to put it in very deliberately because there is no redo. So if you make a mistake, that is your password and you can't undo it. You need an email address. I'm going to use my email address. Hopefully you all have one. If you don't, come and talk to one of your teachers or see if you can get your parents' permission. All of this information will be filled into this field. Down on the bottom, it's going to ask if you want to make a wiki. You're going to say no. You're not making a wiki, you're joining the wiki. Then you're going to click Join. Once you have done all of that, you're going to be able to participate in this wiki. Here's your assignment. This is the page where everybody reads the assignment, and these are the links that you're going to be using to read information. But on the right-hand side, you're going to see where you're navigating. Up here, you see this little thumbtack. There are no discussion posts, but you're going to see that fill up with lots of people, lots of numbers as people start to blog. You're going to click on this, and this is going to bring you to the discussion messages that people are leaving. Right now, I am not able to post, and there will be a little icon here in order to be able to participate. You won't be able to do that until you're approved. Up here in this yellow bar, it says that I'm not a member of this wiki. I'm going to join now, and that's what you're going to have to do if you don't have that. Even if you have already joined, you're going to get this screen, Join Now, and then you're going to get another screen that's going to ask you to request membership. I'm actually going to sign in to show you what it's going to look like. You also saw that there was a box check that says keep me signed in. I want to remind you guys to always sign out of your wiki right here. Now you see how it has changed, and there's a new post. This is where you will be doing your participation for this wiki. You're going to click on New Post, and for your first one, in your Task 1, you're going to go back to your original page, and you're going to see where your Task 1 will be and what you're going to put into that subject, and then what you're going to put into the message. You're also going to have a homework assignment for Task 2. Again, when you're finished participating with the wiki, you want to sign out. Always sign out. Just Xing out is not going to be enough, because somebody, when they log on to Wikispaces again, will be logged on to your name and your user ID. So I want to sign out, and then I can X out. Okay, if you have any questions, any concerns, you don't understand, please come see Ms. Metz or Ms. Morin in the library, and happy blogging.